Okay, so this is our question here. Find the value of x. Find the value of x, and we have given mean is here 75.7. Okay, this is our group data. We have given group. This is our group data. Group data. This is our group data. This is our group data here. Let's see. Okay, this is our group data. So the frequency here 4x and 3 1. And first what we are going to do here is our first step is here find the midpoint. Okay, so midpoint means like the middle number. Like think about it, like what is the midpoint of 100 to 0 is 50. 50 is middle number. Okay, so how can we find you see, like over here the middle number 60 and 70. What is the middle number of 60 and 70? So add these two numbers like 60, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, and 66, 67, and 68, 69, and 70. The middle number between 60 to 70 is here. You can this one is the middle number. Okay, so every time when you write like this way, it's not practically it's impossible. Like you see, it takes long time to calculate the it takes long time to calculate any problem. So here what we are going to do, we add the number two number. The process is here to find the midpoint. We add them two number and divide by 2, and it becomes 130 and 2 and 65. Okay, 65 is our middle number here. This is our 65. And similarly you can find the midpoint of 70 to 80, 70 to 80, 70 to 80, midpoint 75, 90 to 80 to 90, 85, and 190 to 195. This is our middle number. Okay, so the next step is here find the multiply frequency and the midpoint. So over here this is our frequency. Okay, so frequency means like there are four student whose score lies between 60 to 70. Okay, so similarly there are three student 80 to 90 score, one student whose score is 90 to 100. So this x we are going to find it. Yeah, so the second step, multiply frequency and midpoint. Multiply this one, frequency and midpoint. This is your midpoint. Multiply 65 times 4, 260, 75 times x, 75, 85 times 3, 255, and 95 times 1, 95. Okay, so we have done the second step. And third step here, add of f and fm. So we have to add here. Let me erase the first all the part here. Okay, so here we have to add this part. Okay, and we are going to add this one. So add this one 4 3 and 1. Okay, 4 3 1 4 3 7 1 8 plus x. We cannot write 8x because x and the 8 are on like term. We cannot add them. Okay, similarly add this one to 60 to 55 and 95, which is 610 plus write down the 75. Okay, so our next step is use the formula mean. So over here I have calculate the mean here, but it looks like a little bit difficult. You see, like you may not understand how do we get this step, how do we come up with the answer 6. So let's explain mean here, like how can we use the formula. So mean equal to here, mean equal to our formula sigma fm over n. Okay, this is our formula. So the formula sigma fm over n, and mean we have already given here 75, 75.7 equal to sigma fm, which is 16 plus 75x over n, means we have here 8. You see, n means 8, 8 plus x, 8 plus x. Okay, so then we are going to use the cross multiplication here. So if there is nothing, any number, we can make it, put it down 1, and we make a fraction and multiply this 75. Sorry, this is not this is the 75, and this is the 75.7. okay, multiply 75.7 times 8, you will get here 605.6. okay, and plus 75 times 0.7 times x, the same 75.7x equal to 1 times 610, 610 plus 75x. okay, so here right now we have a equation, and we are going to simplify for the x. okay, we are going to solve for the x here. So the first step is here, what we are going to do here, you can cancel out x or any number, or number. So I am going to cancel out this number first here. So subtract 605. Let's see what is let's see. 6 negative 605.6 and negative 605.6. okay, and then here this cancel out, and the remaining is here 75.7x left side remaining, and the right side remaining, subtract this one, 610 minus 605.6, this becomes 4.4. okay, plus, and remaining 75x. So again I am going to subtract 75x both sides. okay, 75x negative and negative 75x, this is 75, and you see this 75 cancel out, this side we have remaining here 0.7 x, and this side remaining 4.4, and then we are going to divide both sides again, 0.7 and 0.7, and cancel out this one, x equal to, we have remaining 6.2. so this is the value of x.